Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the bell button to be notified every time I post a new video. So on today's video, we're going to be making a simple oven baked tilapia. So I received my fish from Victoria Farms about a week or two ago, and they sell fish from Lake Victoria, and they're quite efficient in terms of delivery and everything. You can check their page out on my profile. I posted a video about it. So first, you will clean your fish and cut some slices onto it. As you can see, it's very fresh. You can tell by the pink color. Pat dry it, and after that you're going to place it on a baking tray. Drizzle some lemon onto it and make your marinade with turmeric, paprika and some salt with some corn flour. After mixing your rub, you're going to rub it onto the fish after pouring some oil, and you're good to go. So you're going to bake this in the oven for about 50 to 1 hour, but after 40 minutes you're going to open your foil and let it dry up both sides. So you'll just flip it within 1 hour. It's good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.